Welcome to our guide on the best hair serums for dry and damaged hair. If you're struggling with brittle, frizzy locks, the right serum can make a world of difference. We've tested and reviewed 7 top-rated hair serums to help you find the perfect match for your hair care needs. Let's dive into our top picks and discover which serum might be your new favorite. Number 1. Olaplex No. 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. First on our list is the Olaplex No. 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum, a revolutionary formula designed to fortify and protect your hair. This serum is enriched with Olaplex's patented bond-building technology, which works to restore and strengthen damaged hair bonds from within. The sleek, minimalist packaging houses a lightweight, non-greasy formula that easily absorbs into the hair without leaving any residue. Olaplex No. 9 is formulated to shield your hair from environmental damage and heat styling. It effectively neutralizes free radicals, preventing them from causing further harm. Its blend of antioxidants and nourishing oils works synergistically to enhance hair strength and resilience. This serum is particularly effective for those with color-treated or chemically processed hair, as it helps maintain vibrancy while reducing breakage. The serum's versatility allows it to be used daily or as a treatment before styling. It's ideal for achieving a smooth, glossy finish without compromising the natural movement of your hair. With consistent use, you'll experience visibly healthier hair with improved manageability and reduced split ends.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Hair Treatment Serum with Argan and Macadamia Oils. Next up is the Hair Treatment Serum with Argan and Macadamia Oils, a luxurious blend that revitalizes dry and damaged hair. This serum combines the nourishing properties of argan and macadamia oils, known for their high content of essential fatty acids and vitamins. The design of this serum features a sleek pump bottle, which dispenses the perfect amount of product to prevent overuse. The serum is designed to deeply penetrate the hair shaft, providing intense hydration and smoothing frizz. Argan oil, rich in vitamin E, helps restore moisture balance, while macadamia oil adds a layer of protection against environmental stressors. The serum's lightweight texture ensures that it does not weigh down the hair or leave a greasy residue. Instead, it leaves hair soft, manageable, and visibly shinier. Its effectiveness extends to reducing split ends and enhancing overall hair health. Apply a few drops to damp hair and style as desired to experience its full benefits. The formula's durability ensures long-lasting moisture and protection, making it an excellent choice for anyone with dry, frizzy hair. Number 3. Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Serum with Argan Oil. The Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Serum with Argan Oil is a standout choice for combating frizz and dryness. This serum features a robust blend of argan oil and silicone technology, which work together to smooth and seal the hair cuticle. The design of the bottle is both practical and elegant, with a pump dispenser that allows for easy, mess-free application. This serum is particularly effective in managing stubborn frizz and achieving a sleek, polished finish. The formula's lightweight texture ensures that it absorbs quickly, leaving hair smooth without feeling greasy. It also provides heat protection, making it a valuable addition to your styling routine. This added layer of protection helps prevent damage from blow-drying and flat ironing. The serum's durability means you can enjoy frizz-free hair all day long. It enhances shine and manageability, making it a top choice for those who frequently battle humidity. With regular use, your hair will look smoother and more controlled, providing you with a flawless finish every time. Number 4. Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. The Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum is designed to deliver smooth, frizz-free hair with a blend of natural ingredients. This serum features a unique combination of fruit micro-oils and argan oil, which work in tandem to nourish and smooth the hair. The bottle's ergonomic design includes a pump that dispenses the serum evenly, making it easy to apply just the right amount. The serum's quality is evident in its ability to provide long-lasting frizz control and a sleek finish. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue behind. It also offers excellent protection against humidity, ensuring that your hair remains smooth and controlled throughout the day. This makes it particularly useful for those living in humid climates. Additionally, the Garnier Fructis serum enhances shine and manageability, making your hair look healthier and more vibrant. Regular use helps to prevent frizz and flyaways, resulting in a polished, well-groomed appearance. Its durability means you'll maintain a sleek look from morning till night, making it a reliable choice for daily use. Number 5. Nioxin Ultimate Power Serum for thicker hair. For those looking to boost hair thickness and vitality, the Nioxin Ultimate Power Serum is an excellent choice. This advanced formula is designed to stimulate the scalp and promote healthy hair growth, thanks to its blend of vitamins and botanical extracts. The serum comes in a sleek, pump-style bottle that ensures precise application to the scalp. The serum's quality is highlighted by its ability to deliver essential nutrients directly to the hair follicles, promoting a thicker, fuller appearance. Its lightweight texture is non-greasy, allowing for daily use without buildup. The formula's effectiveness is noticeable as it strengthens and revitalizes thinning hair, enhancing both volume and density. This makes it a great option for those experiencing hair thinning or loss. Its durability ensures that the serum continues to support hair growth and thickness with consistent use. Apply directly to the scalp and massage gently to stimulate blood flow and absorption. With regular application, you'll see a noticeable improvement in hair volume and overall health. Number 6. Kerastase Genesis Strengthening Hair Serum. The Kerastase Genesis Strengthening Hair Serum is a premium product designed to address both breakage and thinning. This serum features a sophisticated blend of ginger root and edelweiss flower extracts, which work to strengthen and fortify the hair from the root to the tip. The luxurious packaging includes a precision applicator that targets the scalp and roots effectively. The quality of this serum is evident in its rich, nourishing formula that enhances hair resilience and reduces breakage. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly, making it ideal for daily use without weighing the hair down. The serum's effectiveness is noticeable in its ability to reduce hair fall and improve overall strength and elasticity, which is particularly beneficial for those with weak or brittle hair. The serum's durability ensures continued protection and fortification with regular application. Its targeted formula helps to address the root causes of hair breakage, promoting healthier, more resilient hair. With consistent use, you'll experience stronger, more manageable hair with improved volume and vitality. Number 7. NEXX Ultralight Smooth Hair Serum for Frizz. Rounding out our list is the NEXX Ultralight Smooth Hair Serum for Frizz, a product designed to deliver smooth, frizz-free hair with a feather-light touch. This serum features a blend of silk proteins and marula oil, which work together to provide intense hydration and control. The serum comes in a sleek, transparent bottle with a pump dispenser for precise application. The NEXX serum excels in providing a smooth, polished finish without the weight or greasiness often associated with anti-frizz products. Its ultralight formula ensures that hair remains soft and manageable while effectively taming frizz. The serum's effectiveness is evident in its ability to maintain a sleek look throughout the day, even in humid conditions. Its durability makes it a reliable choice for long-lasting frizz control and enhanced shine. Apply a small amount to damp hair and style as desired to experience its full benefits. Regular use will help keep your hair smooth and frizz-free, providing a polished appearance every day. Thank you for tuning in to our roundup of the best hair serums for dry and damaged hair. Whether you're looking to restore moisture, tame frizz, or enhance thickness, there's a serum here that's perfect for your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert reviews and tips to keep your hair looking its best. See you in the next video.